Always I say that I need to do that. Thank you for watching me so closely, both of you. Okay, and I'm doing a trick. Yes, I have something.
I'm Lauren of All Trades, and today I'm eating at Bonsai Sushi. We are heading to Bonsai Sushi here on the Carnival Celebration. On the newer ships at Bonsai Sushi, they have a menu item called Omakase, which is where the chef picks what you eat for your meal. And the menu claims that they promise we won't be hungry. So we're gonna see if that's true or not.
Come back to us after it.
Star Wars at Disney World. Green with Sprite, and you can add
Yeah, let's get the green tea ice
an
cream.
egg or
Yeah, that way we'll know if we're hungry or not, and then we still get dessert. We're gonna share the omakase, and so I don't have a. Yeah, so that's for both of us. Now I have a question. It says you promise we won't be hungry. What if we're still hungry?
I'm sure you can still request for us if there is anything that's still hungry, then maybe.
But it says you promise. I'm just teasing.
Okay, so for the tea, it's a tea course. So
Yep.
you want to go down for main course, you have steak or fish.
Steak or fish? The main course. Fish. What?
She said she's checked off a lot.
It's real good. So
It tastes like salad. It's like the sesame sauce is like a
like a dressing?
Yeah.
Okay. So this course is spinach with sesame sauce, and it looks like something I don't want to eat, just because I don't eat green things. But I'm going to try it.
The flavor's like excellent.
Yeah, the flavor is good. It's a little strong on the sesame, where it's starting to taste like peanut butter and has that kind of consistency. I would not buy this on its own, but I will finish eating it. I can finish eating it.
Good.
Husband, do you like it?
I do.
He likes it a lot.
Nice, thank you.
Sounds and looks delicious. Tastes delicious. Did you eat all your rice? Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, I ate all my rice. I feel like I'm just not hungry, but I would really like to have more food. How do you feel?
Yeah, I mean, it might not be fair because I didn't eat breakfast and basically had like half a lunch. So, I don't know. Grading on a curve, I guess I would feel about the same.
Yeah. It was not a ton of food. And what was the price? Where's the menu?
I don't know, wherever you show it.
Wait, is it? Oh. You're probably right. So, 24. So it was, $12 each. It was a pretty good price for food, but didn't live up to the promise printed on the menu.
Or just barely.
If you order a single portion, it's $17. That one feels, if this was the same amount of food for one person, that would definitely not feel like $17 worth of food. I really liked the appetizer and the entree. I didn't really like the middle course, but I kind of knew going into this that I'm a picky eater and I might not like everything. So if you're a picky eater, I do not recommend this. If you can really eat anything, give it a try. So that was Bonsai Sushi. We pretty much enjoyed our omakase dinner. Husband liked all of it. I liked 2/3 of it. Given the choice, we would probably go for the sushi boat, which would be $28 for the two of us. We've had that before, and it's tons of food, and we absolutely do not leave hungry. So I do recommend that, even though that's not what this video is about. We also had the green tea tempura ice cream to finish off our meal, which was crispy and delicious if you like green tea ice cream. If you don't, I don't think you'll like it. That's it for me here at Bonsai Sushi.
Okay. Okay, can you say stop? Stop. See, I can do this again and again.